everyone, it's Miss Lauren. Welcome to our Paint Chip Christmas Light program. So today we are going to make 4 Christmas lights like this out of our paint chips. And if you need paint chips, feel free to come to the library. We have a million of them to give out. So we'll need paint chips. I have this really cool template that Miss Lorena drew for me because I forgot what a Christmas light looks like. And I have twine that we're going to tie together. So I'm only doing 4. You guys can feel free to ask for how many you'd like. If you want 10, if you want 6, if you only want 2, totally fine. The first thing I am going to do is I am going to trace this Christmas light onto here. And if you guys notice, I have a red and blue theme going. See, it'd be easier if I had a skinny Sharpie, but I only have this one in here, and that's okay. So I have it like this. Next, we're gonna cut it out, and we're gonna make sure that it looks okay and looks like a Christmas light before we keep going. And you know what? I think it does. It was the top of it that was confusing to me, so you got to kind of put a little hat on it. Okay, so here's our first Christmas light. I'm going to do the same thing with the other ones. So we'll trace it like this. You know what? We'll actually use this one too, and we'll use it as our 5th one, so that we'll have 5 Christmas lights on our little twine. So we're going to go like this. Perfect. And we're going to cut it out. Also, if you guys don't want to come to the library for your paint chips, definitely go to like Menards or Home Depot. They have a million. They have so many. That's where I got a lot of these from. Okay, so we've got our 3. I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to cut the rest out off screen, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I've got our 5 Christmas lights here. This guy kind of got cut off because if you can tell, they're perforated at the bottom, so you can kind of take them off real easily. So this guy lost the bottom of his. So what we're going to do next is we are going to take our handy dandy hole punch, and we're just going to punch some holes. And we're doing them on the kind of hat, like I said before, because otherwise they don't look like Christmas lights. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my holes are not exactly even. This is the one that I kind of messed up on, but that's okay. And then we're going to take our string, and I'm going to cut it kind of long like this. And I'm going to start tying them together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie them into knots so that they don't move at all when they are actually on the twine. So we've got like that, and then there's a knot, and then we'll put on a green one, and we'll try to make them kind of even and make sure that they're all, you know, on the same side. Okay, so there's that, and then we'll do a big knot like so. And if you guys need twine, or if you'd prefer to use any other kind of string, totally cool. But we also have twine if you would need it for your Christmas lights. So there we go. And here's one more knot. Okay, 1 knot. Okay, so we've got 2 so far. Hopefully we can fit all 5 on this string. Maybe I cut it a little short. I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna put that guy there. And we're gonna tie a knot. It's gonna go like that. And I gotta kind of hold it in place so that it doesn't move, but that's okay. So these are already looking really cool. Oops, let's move that on there. Okay, so we've got 3. Of course one is backwards, but that's okay. Here comes number 4. We're gonna tie a knot around it. Like that. We're gonna make it so that it's connected to the top, not the side. Perfect. And one more knot. And there's that one. And then we're on to the last one. And then what I'm going to do at the end is we are going to tie a little loop so that we can hang these from little hooks. Okay, so I've got that done. And now I'm going to do on the side here just a little loop. Like that. And I'm going to go. Whoops, I just tied a knot. I'm going to tie a loop. And then go around again and go like that. And perfect. So we're going to tie loops like that so that you can hold them like so. And here are our really cool lights. So I tried to make them as even as possible, but this one kind of has a long one. But there we go. There are our holiday Christmas lights out of paint chips. So come on into the library if you guys need supplies, and we will gladly hand them out to you. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a really happy holiday.